Have you shot a professional model before? How did you handle it? What was the outcome like? On today's video, we show you the BTS of how we shot these amazing studio portraits and why we chose the background we used.
Hey guys, my name is Bliss, and then I'm from Enugu State, and I'm a model. So this is my birthday shoot, and I'm so excited. I'm doing it with this particular photographer. He's very good with the angles and all of that. I can say he's very good at that. And it's been 3 years now. I have been working with him, and I've not had any complaints and all. So I'm just gonna give him that. He's good, very good. So yeah.
Hello guys, this is Wispro Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we talk about how we shot this amazing birthday studio portraits, the gears we used, the light setup, the modifiers, and we will equally show you the camera settings we used to achieve these fantastic images. There are people that will reach out to me that they want to book for a portrait session, and I'll be excited. And then Bliss happens to be one of them. She's a professional model and she's very good at what she does. Kudos to her. Trust me, she's good. You can book her for your branding and all. She's very good. Check her out on Instagram. It's on the screen. And the makeup artist we used for the job did an amazing work. Her name on Instagram is Glam by Joyce. Check it on the screen. She did an amazing job. I love the way she did the melanin. Her skin tone was top notch. Like, I love the job she did. She's very good. Trust me. When you book her, you won't regret it. The creative fashion designer we used for the shoot, her name on Instagram is Charlene the Fashion House. She's very good. Trust me. You can check her out on Instagram. It's all on the screen. Trust me, when you book her, you won't regret it. She's very, very good. Trust me. I literally used 6 lights for these portraits. My key light is Godos AD600, that's inside 120cm Godos Octabus modifier. I'm setting it up on a C-stand. Then I used a fill light. The fill light I used is Studio Strobe, that's inside 150cm parabolic umbrella for fill light. Then the backlight I used to separate the object from the backdrop. Godos AD200 inside the cone. Then I used Yongnuo YN216 by the right. The Yongnuo is a steady light. Then I equally used Noah light by the right. So this is the light setup I used for this portrait. So the camera I use for this portrait is EOS Canon R5, and then the lens I use is 50mm 1.2. My camera profile is neutral. I shoot neutral. Then my ISO, the ISO I shot these images on is 160. My ISO is 160. My aperture is 2.5. Then my speed is 320. That is what I use to shoot these images. Yeah, the reason why you use a brown background is because we are shooting a brown skin girl and we want something that will complement her skin tone. One of the basic things I consider while doing a photo shoot is when I take one or two, three shots or four, then I try to show the model or the client what the image looks like, so that if there's something she's wearing that she doesn't like what it looks like, she will see it in the camera and know if she will fix it before we continue. You guess, because I had a situation whereby I finished shooting the whole image and it ended up that the bow tie didn't go very well they wanted it, so I had to start afresh, and it's not always funny. Bring your hand down a little bit. Very good. At this point, I had to set up the cover reflector to get what I want. I think it will serve me better. One good thing about shooting a professional model is if you guys already had a mood board of what you want to achieve, the vibe is always 100 and she knows how to navigate her poses and give you what you want.
Merci.
And due to her professionality and skill, we are able to achieve everything we needed for the shoot within a short while.
Hey, this is fine. I love this.
Solo. Ah, Tamara, my sister, Tamara. give me this.
Are you first?
Yes, now.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. If you have any question, feel free to ask your question on the comment section.